Stone Floor Cleaning Woking by Fabritec Stone Care. As a homeowner, you take pride in keeping your home clean and pristine. But when it comes to your natural stone floors, it can be a frustrating and daunting task. You've searched high and low for a reliable stone floor cleaning service in Woking. But you can't find a company to meet your standards. Welcome to the world of Fabritec Stone Care. The ultimate solution for all your stone care needs. Say goodbye to dull and lifeless surfaces, and hello to a vibrant and radiant shine that will leave you breathless. With Fabritec Stone Care, you can finally say goodbye to stubborn stains and unsightly grime. Our products are specifically designed to penetrate deep into the pores of your stone floors, lifting dirt and debris from even the toughest spots. So if you're tired of searching for a reliable stone floor cleaning service, look no further than Fabritec Stone Care. We'll leave your floors looking so clean, you'll want to eat off of them, but we don't recommend it. For the best value and quality, call 07798608640 now.